Easily eliminate moisture from closets, sinks, and bathrooms. With two simple methods, you can prepare yourself using ingredients you probably already have at home. Humidity is one of the most common problems in the home. Besides causing unpleasant odors, it can damage furniture, clothing, walls, and even encourage mold growth. Luckily, there are very economical solutions you can prepare in just a few minutes using simple materials. For the first method, you will need a plastic bottle, an old sock, a utility knife, coarse salt, and scissors. Coarse salt is ideal for this method because it has the ability to naturally absorb moisture from the air. That's why it's frequently used in various homemade solutions to combat excess humidity. First, cut the bottle in half along this line. Try to make the cut as straight as possible so that both pieces fit together correctly later. You will have two pieces that we will stack one on top of the other in a funnel shape. This method allows the water absorbed by the salt to collect at the bottom of the bottle without coming into contact with the absorbent material again. Now take the old sock and fill it halfway with coarse salt. It doesn't need to be completely full. Leaving some space helps the salt distribute better and absorb more moisture from the air. To close it, tie a knot. Make sure it's tightly closed to prevent the salt from spilling when you put it in place. The tighter the knot, the better the result. Place the sock with the salt over the funnel you made with the bottle. The bottom of the bottle will act as a reservoir to collect the moisture absorbed by the salt over the following days. For the second method, you will need 1 cup of white rice, 1 cup of salt, a soldering iron, and a plastic container with a lid. Heat the soldering iron and once it's hot, poke many holes in the lid. This only takes a few minutes. Make sure to distribute the holes evenly across the entire surface of the lid. The more uniform the distribution, the better the air circulation in the container and the more efficient the moisture absorption. Let me know what city you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Mary from California. Thank you for watching every video. I also want to thank everyone who comments, shares, and supports the channel. Your messages help more people discover our videos. Once it's ready, remove the lid and add a cup of rice. Rice helps absorb some of the moisture in the air, which is why many people use it to preserve dry goods or reduce excess humidity in sealed containers. Then add a cup of salt. The combination of these two ingredients prolongs the effectiveness of the method and takes advantage of each ingredient's absorbent properties. Using a spoon, stir everything together thoroughly. Take a few seconds to ensure the mixture is uniform. This will allow the ingredients to work evenly within the container. Once it's uniform, put the lid back on. And now you have a second homemade dehumidifier ready to use in different areas of your home. Both methods are very effective. You can place it in very humid areas such as closets, drawers, bathrooms, under sinks, or anywhere else you like. They are also very useful in laundry rooms, pantries, kitchen cabinets, shoe closets, and any small space where you notice excess humidity or unpleasant odors. This will completely eliminate the humidity. If you notice that the salt or rice becomes very damp over time, simply replace them with fresh ingredients to maintain maximum effectiveness. If you found this helpful, save it and thank me later.